Hello mga kagala, kakikay, mga kapars kamars, mga ka-person. Ito nga pala yung Piduan Falls. Ang ganda-ganda pala doon. Hindi mo alam na napakaganda palang relax doon. Napaka-peaceful yung surroundings. Tapos, it's a paradise talaga guys kasi mga ka-person and mga kagala. Kasi alam mo, pagpunta lang palang doon, Diyos ko nakakatakot kasi sobrang tuktok yung daan. Tapos nakakatakot talaga. Kung mahina talaga loob mo, wag na kayong magpunta. Pero pag meron kang adventurer na willpower, so punta kayo doon. At saka yung sasakyan nyo, or magmumotor kayo, ay maganda rin. Or magpunta kayo doon, siguraduhin nyo na 4x4 yung sasakyan nyo kasi nga, nakakatakot yung tuktok. Yung talagang akyat ka sa tuktok, tapos bababa ka na naman, tapos aakyat ka na naman, tapos bababa ka na naman. Ganon. Ganon siya na scenario. Kaya kung mahina ang loob mo, wag na kayo magpunta. Pero kung adventurer ka, punong-puno ka ng excitement magpunta doon kasi nga after those challenges along the road, ay sobrang paradise pala talaga ang mapupuntahan mo. Ganyan pala talaga. Kung merong pag-struggle palagi yung papapuntahan mo, tama ba yung Tagalog ko? Pupuntahan mo pala. Meron pala talagang backside of it is napakagandang tanawin or a paradise to see. Pero alam nyo guys, sa sobrang tuktok ng mga daan, papunta doon, no? So, makikita mo, if you look back, yung sa likod nan, ay, lalo na pag open yung sasakyan nyo, ay, Diyos ko, grabe ang tanawin. Overlooking yung bay. Sobrang napakaganda tingnan. Yung namnamin, yung nature na makikita mo, sobrang ganda. Sobrang awesome talaga yung view. So, kung nature lover ka, ma-appreciate mo yon. Pag hindi ka nature lover, ay matatakot ka talaga. Kasi nga, ang papunta pa lang doon. So, tingnan mo naman yung maabutan mo. Ganito siya kaganda. Ito yung Piduan Falls. So, yan. Tingnan mo yung ulap, guys. Oh. Sobrang ang kapal. Tapos, ang lapit-lapit na lang yan. Kasi nga, di ba, river siya. Ay, river. Di ba, falls siya. So, tendency is, yung mga rain clouds talagang malapit lang yan talaga sa lagi sa mga may falls or river. Kaya yun, tingnan mo naman. No? Pero kampante pa kami niyan kasi nga hindi siya ano pa yung tubig. Linaw pa kasi. So meaning to say, okay pa siya. Kalma pa yung water. Ayan, tingnan nyo. So inikot-ikot ko yung aking drone footage. So, ayan o, yung view, yan yung view. Tingnan mo naman, sobrang ganda, guys. Kapag napanta kayo doon. If you can experience this firsthand, sobrang, you can really enjoy this area. So, this is what they call in Bonifacio. You can locate this in Bonifacio, bundok ng Bonifacio, Misamis Occidental. Ito yung pag-English tayo para maintindihan yung mga friends ko na mga hindi Pilipino ha. So ayan, if you will go there, of course, you will discover a very steep mountain to go there. Tapos going down, going up, going down, ganun yung that's the like of scenario that you can experience. So, yun guys, this is a drone footage of my drone. I had it turned fly in there, fly high. Pero I didn't had it fly very high because I already saw the clouds kasi, the rain clouds. So, that's why. So, all I did was just to rotate my drone just to capture the very beautiful and superb view of the falls. Piduan Falls, as they called it. See, it's very clear, it's still a very virgin forest pa yata tong dito eh. It's still the same. And they say, let us be very careful when you come there, when you go there, because it's kinda, uh, very forest, as they say, and also they say it's enchanted. So there's nothing wrong naman to believe in them, but for us to be careful lang, no. So, oh, look at this. Oh, very, very, very awesome beauty of nature. So if you're really a nature lover, then this is what you savor, the beauty of Biduan Falls, guys. See? Wow. It looks like a Niagara Falls, as they say. It looks like a bit look like it, but Niagara Falls is like a dam, no, na it's wide and then falling down the like a mountain falling. The water all falls down to the uh, down to the stream. So it's very high naman yun. Ito naman, this one is a mountain, and then all of the waters are, running through, and looks like looks like very, very, very fantastic beauty, I mean. So ayan, the water is so crystal clear, and it's so cold water there. So if you go there, you can also bring your swimming attire. You can also enjoy the water, the pure water flowing from the falls, Piduan Falls. So yan, superb talaga. As in, very, 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 very beautiful, magnificent, marvelous view talaga. So if you're a nature lover, you have a plan to go there, I might as well advise you to have a 4x4 ride for you to be safe, kasi it's too steep, guys. Very steep mountain, and all you have to do is to go to on a steep mountain and then go down the hill again and then go up to the steep again, like that. So for you to be safe. So this is the area where you can go eat. Also, there is a white color there building, so you can go there and have your food to eat, somewhere to eat. There's also some cottages. I don't know if there is a rent. I think there is. So I just had my drone flying, rotate 360, so we can see the beauty of the nature. See? Oh, very, very, very beautiful. I can't get enough when I saw this one. Oh, wow. I keep on saying, wow, wow, grabe, grabe. Superb, superb. So, if you guys wanted to go there, plan it well. Have your food. Don't forget your food, your water, and some things to bring along the travel, because you are going to drive around from the foot of the mountain. It's like 2 to 3 hours drive. 2 to 3 hours, or 1 or 2 hours, kasi it looks like far from me, because it's the first time we went there. So yan, guys, it's enjoy, sit back, relax, and enjoy the beauty of nature. Piduan Falls. Yan, guys. And then after that, we had a moment of happiness while viewing the Piduan Falls. It rains very hard, so we run. At that time, it's still drizzling. So that's why sister said, oh, let's go there later, because it's going to rain already. So I said yes, and I'll just have it finished. Then later while uh, it rains very hard. Suddenly, then it made my eyeglass broken, because as we ran towards the cottage, or there's a building there that you can arrest. Oh, of course the rain is so hard already. You can see it already in this video. Yeah, I had it landed already. Then the rain is already getting heavier. So we run, and you can also see people there running. And me, see, there's the water already. Water. The rain is getting heavier now already, and the raindrops is big. See. Then I ran towards the cottage with my niece and my sister. Sister is already running. Oh, you can see her running there later. Yeah. She ran already. Leaving husband. Sister Annalyn there, running already. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.